Fucking do it.
What's going on?
Fucking sit over here as a fucking goddamn fucking dude got fucking exhaust. Goddamn fucking rock screws.
Fuck yeah, man. G35 life.
Got big.
Yo, get out of here. Talking shit about my shit. Spec D. Yes, sir. Yo, this is a piece of shit, bro. These fucking rims. So tell the fine people what we're doing right here, man.
We're gonna put some fucking noise out there in the streets.
Fuck yeah.
Gonna make this bitch fucking rumble. Get the fucking officers fucking upset. And the fucking Karens.
That's what we like.
All the fucking neighbors and Karens.
Your car is too loud.
Right?
Your car's too loud.
Taking off the whole muffler. Everything but the cats.
Nice little catback exhaust.
Check out these new wheels though. Hold on.
Oh
yeah. Oh yeah, look at those. Look at those puppies. Yeah, man. Look at them bitties. Looking clean. Sending down these cats, man. What? What? Look at the fucking sandpaper. Help me, asshole. Oh yeah.
Is it in here?
Yes, sir. I know all your girlfriends like this movement.
Is it this one?
Yeah. Indeed. Indeed. This piece of shit. It's fucking junk.
Jump.
Unreal.
Bruv, your exhaust is missing, bro.
Oh wait, I gotta put a fucking video. Now it's wheels. Now it's full motherfucking exhaust.
Yes, sir. Look at that. Little LED lights, you know, that's the finest. These piece of shits, you know. Ooh, test pipes, man. Those welds.
All right, this way.
Nice.
Look. This whole.
Gotta get that pup smooth. Indeed, indeed. Right. Coming along. Coming along. What do we call this? Iron board, right?
Iron board.
You clean, you do your shoes,
Fucking put your
your
shirt,
fucking
your
shirts,
fucking
your
clothes,
pants, anything, bro. Right on here, right before school, alright?
Fucking got these fucking shitty deep dish eBay rims.
Oh, look at the fucking fitment,
The
dude.
fucking past owner fucking curb bashed the fuck out of these, bruv.
Dude, it's so perfect. Look at that.
That shit is so fat,
Oh,
bro.
nice, nice. Now is it an automatic though?
Fuck no, bro.
Let's see what this puppy got.
Look at this bitch. Fucking manual.
Oh, he got the nanny.
Fucking
Nice, nice. Why the fuck do you have the cup holders open, huh, sir?
oh, sir.
Sir.
Shit guy infinity.
Number one bullshit guy.
And they got the fucking fat and PV exhaust.
Oh, stop. Man.
Look at that. And PV exhaust, bro.
Look, fucking fisted.
Fucking amazing, bro.
Look at this. And it comes like this naturally from factory. Half and half.
Half and half, bro.
Yep.
Look,
And always comes with the missing eye. All the time.
fucking, let me check this shit off. Look perfect, bro.
Oh,
Fucking amazing.
nice.
Fucking
Nice. I hate this car. Yo, this shit looks like a bird, bro. Looks like a bird's beak.
Ooh. Oh no!
Oh yeah. She
This
looking
is-
real tinful. Which one? The right one,
That's what I
right?
said,
This one's crooked. Why?
You fucking bitch, I told you.
You fucking bitch ass nigga.
I told you it's fucking crooked.
Oh, you bitch ass nigga. Why is it crooked? That's the way they did it.
Yeah,
too.
this one goes up more than that one.
Yeah. can't even do anything with that either. Unless
Zip tie it.
we loosen it and it'll bring it over a little bit. All right. Loosen it.
Nice. Moment of truth. Ready?
Yeah.
So what?
He's it.
Yeah! Don't bottom out like me. So Spec deep. Chill out, man. Give me my fucking car back.